pick up your car.
I'm taking my brother to pick up his car because he can't drive. His car messed up. I'm just playing.
60,000 miles, so
Yeah, thank you.
good night.
Alright, you said what I'm picking up for? Yeah, I'm picking up a car, yeah. Jean Betty. Yeah.
We got another thing for you. I love it. Another good one.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one's in really good
But
shape.
junk.
It's really just dirty. I don't even see anything chipped. No chips, no anything.
And
Really bad at all. So
you finally about to get this car.
going to be really
Finally.
thrilled that we kept it because I mean people pay extra for these old cast iron things.
Yeah, and look how deep the bowls are and wide.
It's a really good practical thing.
The whole
Something
thing.
like this, even though it's not bad.
Get all the, grime
Look
off
how
of
old
it.
this picture is.
Open up the pores so the material will stick.
I'm gonna let you do your thing.
You got it.
So,
The acids and leaves off all the dustiness and it edges the enamel so that it has tooth. So then she rolls on the new porcelain and it has something to grab onto.
There you go.
It self-levels and then it's done.
That's
It just
better
has to
aim.
cure. The drying time is what takes a long time.
Thank you. Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you.
Really
now where we gotta go to now?
GNC.
It really helps
As
to
a
refinish.
Alright. We finally got his car. Yes, sir. I'm pretending the car new, but he already bought the car.
this way. Out left. Oh, so it's over. It's out.
Why you go out this way? Oh.
Somebody can pull that out. Come out. Right here. Stop right here. Stop right here. Oh, we could have parked right here. My bad. I don't go here, but I think I'm gonna be coming over here. I like how they do it. It's smooth. It's cool. You know, Metro cool too, but
You saw the truck you wanted, right? That was the truck you wanted.
no, I'm just saying the tires on the truck was nice. That's an off-road vehicle. That's an off-road vehicle.
Y'all, look at that Mustang right there, though. Look at that. That's that Mustang.
Bro, I'm finally passing my shit, man.
You have to go do Uber like on Monday.
I was really thinking of Monday.
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing it today.
That nigga, that boy finally got his car back. Hey, don't run me over now.
How does he know how to cut it? How does he know how to
Alright, shit. It don't matter. I mean, this is my last day, then I leave, then I might as well just do whatever.
Alright.
Yeah, the GNC. It smell like medicine.
I'm just looking for creatine. It's called creatine. It's micro something.
We have creatine monohydrate and creatine hydrochloride.
Yeah, monohydrate.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not. You want the powder, right?
No? Oh, wait.
Powder, that's it.
Oh, they do?
You got the powder.
That's it, yeah.
Is it? Do it do the same thing as the pills?
It is the same.
Oh, it is?
The powder.
I'll take the powder. Oh, it do taste good though.
I never had the powder.
Oh, nah, actually I ain't trust. I'd rather swallow the pill than drink something nasty.
We have the one thing so you can. We do have a buy one get one half off. When our protein as well, 2 grams off as well. So you can use those.
Alright, I'll call some other time, but thank you.
You don't think you want to try the powder though?
Hello, sir. How you doing?
True, because it be coming out. It be coming out not good. So we came on here for no reason.
Yeah.
We're looking for something.
If you're ready to go, if you see something you like, then you can Go get it.
Nah, I wanted the same thing you was getting, cause like with the powder, bro, I had trauma with the powder. All of them didn't taste good. So I said I'd rather.
It tastes like nothing.
I mean, nah, like
Just put it together with juice.
but I still gotta make it though. If I just pop the thingy, it would be done.
Right.
It's like 1 second. Like why would I make juice for
But
that?
it takes. I will say this though. It still takes a little bit of time to like go in your system.
Right.
Not effective. But she is right about eating protein. You're not gonna have no other protein shit. We're just gonna eat. That's the root of protein. You're gonna eat. That's it. Like,
Yeah, that's the
you're not
best.
about to
That's the
have
best thing of
You're not
protein.
gonna have another powder and all this other stuff and do all. No, we're gonna just eat. And that's the. I'm gonna just drive a little bit closer over there so I can be closer, right?
All right. Oh, I see it.
Park that closer.
It's like a show over there. It's like a show like right over there. We want to go check it out. Pop the hood. He talking about pop the hood, Joe.
That motor.
No motor?
No. But it's.
There ain't no motor in there, Joe.
I think it looks like a Batmobile.
It just has airbags on it for the suspension. Not hydraulics, but the airbags.
Yep, nice rims.
Alright. How long you had this car for?
It came from California. My brother sent it.
Nice.
Yeah, let's see. Man, this is right up your guys' alley, you know?
Pretty cool.
Man, me? I don't know. I don't know if this thing would fit in my garage. But it's kind of catchy. Kind of cool looking.
Wow. Yeah, I've
Kinda.
never been in here up close. Like,
Needs a little work.
yeah, you get a lot of
But-
yeah.
But
That look nice though. I like that.
How you doing?
Y'all can see the little.
oh yeah, he's gonna get somebody on this. He might get somebody on top of this thing.
Look at that.
This might go.
This will put the car up on your hand.
I got airbags. Yeah, through
Nice.
the air, right? Through the air.
A little bit of work. Little bit. You gotta have a motor and tranny.
That would feel. Okay. Nice. Alright, so we over there. Oh, that's you talking about all the. I was asking like I saw a lot of cars that look like that. That red one. My fault.
Look at that. I gotta fix that little dent right there.
This man, talking the best driver got dents and shit. I'm just playing.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Dang, that's very nice. Bro, that's a fake dog, though.
And that's very classy. See how well done, bro. I like cars like this, man. I want to drive one of those.
It's nice.
Look at that seat though, like a couch in that bitch, bro. You don't make cars like that no more.
Alright, come on.
Alright. That black one nice. From the Fast and Furious?
That's Dom's car.
Yeah, Dom's. That's like the first thing that came in my head too when I was. Damn, look though.
Extra clean, man. Look, it's no scratches. It's extra clean. That bitch extra clean. I'm gonna touch the car, man.
Yeah. Like they got that joint clean like before they got here, like for sure. Cleaned
See
it.
that? See that?
Dang.
That inside look roll. They gotta make a throwback, like modern, but a throwback look to it. Record a few cars, and I'm gonna just walk around. Look at that car right there. I gotta record everything. This one of my favorites.
I'm happy though. I'm happy I got this, bro.
This the Mustang.
Alright. Then I'm trying to get all the specs of this car.
I want you to get this either.
Okay.
I want you to get this. This back in the day, Mustang GT. Look at that. I bet this car's really loud. Don't worry about the plates. Don't do all that.
I'm looking at the lights.
That's extra.
This dude's also don't worry about the lights. I'm looking at the lights. Huh? Now look how shiny it is.
It's shiny.
I like the paint job. Bro. That's it. Let me look at the interior.
And then after that, you check out that car right there, the hot rod.
Oh, look at that. That's nice. Look at that car. Now you know this gave me some Mafia 2 vibes.
Yeah, man. Dang, I think they look at that.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. Damn.
Is your car right here? It's yours?
No.
you look at that. The muffler right there.
Yes, yeah. That is. Yeah. This is so nice.
Oh, it's already like that. Somebody like that. Oh, okay, that's cool too.
This ain't nice, boy. Look at him. Zozo, you be asking.
See something like that, use a little something like that. The old-fashioned fenders and the running board, you take all that shit off and you chop the top and put a big chrome engine in it, you got a hot rod.
Hot rod, yeah, I told my brother that, definitely.
Oh, my fault, Zozo. Which one? Like, which one's the hot one? You gotta look. We gotta keep looking. I know. I'm talking about the other ones. You gotta keep going. Now I'm about to go back and take the pictures though. This is just a whole video.
All right, you go ahead. Go ahead. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take pictures. Yeah.
For the booth. So these are all wood frames too.
Yeah. There's a lot of wood.
Looks great, man.
Oh, this stuff is nice.
Original motor.
Now, which one you like better, the green one or the orange one? It's hard, bro. It's hard to choose.
Got the original rims in it? You put it on it? Like if these came on it?
I like that.
Yeah, I'm about to take pictures, bro.
Now you wanna go over there?
Yeah, yeah.
And all the stuff's for sale too. Oh,
I'm about to blow up my snap, bro. Definitely posting this one.
I'm happy I came.
I'm not missing this, man. It's either
Sleeting, snowing, it's gonna rain.
Dang,
I'm about to hijack this like it's GTA.
Back in the day, there was no chairs. They put a whole couch in the car. I'm about to take another day. Still vlogging?
Yep. And I'm about to go back around to take pictures. Cause the pictures gonna come out looking nice.
Maybe that's a year to get rid of some. I don't know. That scares me.
Oh, this one's nice. Ooh, I like this one.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come here, man. Come here.
Come here. You can't get up now. You eat it. I'll let you sit there. I want you to show me what you did here with your
They had those for a long time.
fan on there to cool your engine.
That boy said, hey, don't touch it.
Oh, for rain? Don't work?
I'm saying they extra serious, bro. Don't
Switch
touch it,
inside, right?
That's how we doing this, bro.
Thought so.
Yeah.
I'm running the lines here.
Next week.
Okay.
I figured that.
Hey, look at the cowboy hat. You know, it's nice.
It gets hot when you're sitting on the blacktop or in the parade.
Yeah.
Right here. I gotta put a video on my bad. Let me come over here.
It's called the Sherry Baby. I'm on fault. I have to go back in the cockpit.
I know she does, man.
I wonder how it was back in the day. It was water like this. You see how they did a multicolored?
Yeah, ain't cars coming like this no more.
Right, they don't do it like this. I'm gonna check out that purple car back there, and I'm gonna come back.
Ooh. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures. No, I was taking so many pictures over there.
Fans take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture of this car right here.
All right. Then you look at came dressed like this, bro. Oh my God. Are you ready? Well, you better hurry up, boy. Now you good. Just look normal. I'm taking hella pictures. Yeah, you got it, though. No, bro.
Oh yeah, that's decent.
Then how you lucky I came like this, bro? Oh my God, I can't take no pictures. I mean, I can.
You can, bro. You gotta be quick because we gotta go. Because Stacy gotta go. We want to take a picture of this car too? Wait, what with this?
Yeah. Oh no.
It's recording? It's still recording?
It's recording.
Oh, okay. No, you could take a video, sir. Yeah, I want to drop this. This camera expensive, ain't it?
Yeah, I got insurance for it.
Yeah. She said somebody do a pose or something. Shit.
I mean, that's how I act.
Okay, all right, just go, man. Do what you was doing.
I'll go take the picture.
Okay.
Let me see how these come out. I'm gonna post these on IG. Oh, not the light.
I'm gonna say.
These are funny, bro.
You got a few more?
Let me check out the pilot. No, I should take pictures next to this one. Bro, I should have wore all black, bro, for that one, bro. I said my all black though. Suck a little, bro.
You can still take a picture.
I know.
But you gotta hurry up and go because of Stacy. So I'm about to.
What's Stacy about to do?
She gonna go to some party or something. I mean, you could go. I ain't going though.
Bro, you gonna drop her?
No.
Oh my God.
You gotta go, like, people gotta go at 8. But I'm about to check out the rest of these cars.
Wait, take my picture real quick.
Alright.
What time is it? Hey, yo, what time is it right now? No, it's 6:32, bro. We got time. That's right. Yo.
Nice car.
Thank you.
Why would I take a picture of a car with the hood up? I just realized that.
Go ahead.
No, this the one right here?
No, it's not. That says an over. I wish I could have all the time to stay and look at all the cars.
Dang.
I don't want to rush.
Look at that, bro. Happy as hell, bro. Oh, look at the yellow one. You got the Corvette back there. The Corvette.
Let me look over here.
Yo, this is crazy. Bro. No, that purple car over there you went is ugly, dude. What, that purple car you went to? That shit was weak. No, this car nice. Ooh. Look at that.
You see that? They don't look like it's messing with your eyes.
Shaker? Nah. Oh, I see it. I know what you mean. It's like vibrating. Nice.
There's a whole couch in that thing, bro. You feel like a whole couch.
Well, you gonna sleep on? You gonna sleep in that?
Sleep in there.
Right. Bro, that's crazy. Alright. Ooh. I'm doing good.
That's the car right here, the black car. That's good.
My brother's.
It's your brother's car, alright.
Nice.
It's slow.
It's
I like pissing with him.
engine. Now that engine go crazy though. It look. I like the engine styles. They look nice.
Did you help him modify it and do all that stuff, all the upgrades and everything?
Yeah, we did a lot of shit to it.
lot of shit,
My
yeah.
truck's over there, the red one, the ED4. Stock fucking truck. Both except for the
This is my first time. I'm like, I can't leave it. I gotta check this out, man. Because if I don't, I'm never gonna get the opportunity.
It's just gonna make you want to save a lot of money.
Yeah, man.
Don't
yeah.
get a girlfriend because you won't get a car. Don't do that, man.
Facts, bro. Alright.
Alright, man. You guys be safe.
My bad, my bad.
Yo. Now look at this one. Oh, that's not even an old car. I'm talking about this one.
It's extra long.
Exactly. They thought they was doing something. Oh, they could hop in it.
Same exact
The
ones.
go-kart. The go-kart.
Or no, back car. Same event photographs.
Now you saw the gear thing where you, bro, that gear thing long as hell. That the thing where you like put it on like the print or whatever. It's going long.
Dang, look at that caddy. Dang, nice.
I like the colors. Oh my gosh.
They don't make it like this no more, man. It's extra long. See how long?
Dang.
I've seen a few of these on the streets. Alright, Enos. Whenever you're ready, man, I'm about to do this. Go ahead, man.
I can't wait to post these pics.
We're gonna take a picture of that Mustang before we go, okay?
Alright. Oh, so let me go over here.
Look at that. Oh, you take a picture of this, bro. I want to take a picture of this car right here.
Yes. Alright.
Okay. I'm gonna do something like Tonga Stew.
Huh? Alright. Just like. Yeah. But I need to take more pictures though. Oh, look at that car. Look at that purple one.
That car, man. That's that car.
Oh, okay. Yo. Dang. Hey, where we going to next? Bop. I wish the hood was down. Yeah, I saw this one already.
My favorite. I want a picture though.
I wish the hood was down though.
Yeah, I wish the hood was. Yeah.
Like, who owned this thing, bro? Nice. I was gonna take a picture next to the hot rod. The hot rod, nice.
Oh yeah, I got pictures of the hot.
You should have said yeah. I'm just playing.
Take a picture just where I go. They got some nicer cars over there too.
Yes. $2,600.
Where's it at? That's how much it cost back in the day? Oh,
Dang.
that was a lot back in the day?
Probably back then,
okay,
yeah.
alright, because I like, that ain't nothing right now. Man.
Imagine that. That's probably this thing in
That's a steal, right?
1968.
That was when a pack of cigarettes cost $1 quarter.
Dang.
So yeah.
I had it for about a week.
No, the new one. Oh, okay.
track if you want. I ain't giving up on it.
All right.
Hey, never give up on it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Right?
I know these are the cars back then.
Oh yeah.
I was there. I
Look
know
at me.
these.
Look at you used to work on this. Everything's there. That's all over. Oil.
Right, you gotta go into the
Oil.
everything. You want to take all your money. Get out of here, man. Or these electric cars.
Oh,
You have to go back. You gotta go back.
I had a car. I wanted to change the.
Vamos a juste dans le capot là, moi ça qui fait capot là ça.
I want you. Let me know if you think it's funny.
Damn, bud.
Look at my cursor. Jojo. Is it Jojo? It's how far avec Sylvia.
Nothing. Why would you sleep?
Ça, il va faire la...
Nothing.
Mom, you thought I was wrong. What do you think, Mom? What do you think of
Il va faire vidéo.
Rami, listen to Alex. I listen to Zozo.
Mba wak ki sa mba ki la de yo. Mba sa paket makak. Makak apeste ya.